The car's rear compartment is packed with supplies, and Tzu Chi volunteers cover them with plastic to prevent rainwater from seeping in. On the way to the relief center to distribute supplies, the water was flowing fast along the road. Even with a pickup truck, extra caution was needed.
Keadaan banjir sangat-sangat luar biasa. Boleh katakan seluruh kampung-kampung masyarakat Siam di Tumpat ini mengalami banjir yang amat dasyat luar biasa. Jadi semuanya terkepung dan kebanyakan masyarakat Siam telah berpindah ke wat-wat di Tumpat.
Victims described this flood as even more severe than the 2014 flood. Many roads were impassable, causing delays in the delivery of aid.
400 lebih semua mangsa penginapan. Peluang kita untuk mendapat makanan ni bukan senang sebab semua kawasan dalam Kelantan banjir. Jadi kita berbesar hatilah kerana dapat bantuan yang first daripada NGO UZ datang membantu kita.
Flood victims began preparing food as supplies arrived, while volunteers cared for those injured during evacuation.
Sekarang memang termasuk family lah, berasa terharu lah dengan satuan ini. Memang apa orang kata bantuan tu sampai kepada mangsa terus.
这是要代替门舵那边的，因为那边也是不能进，只要靠船才可以进到里面。
With rising water levels and roads cut off, land transport became impossible. The victims used small boats to search for supplies. Fortunately, they came across Tzu Chi.
Dapat barang 2-3 perkara lah. Saya datang keluar di petang kemarin. Barang banyakkannya dah habis. Jadi sangat gembira lah. Terima kasih kepada bantuan yang sampai.
Although heavy rains have stopped, the number of flood victims in Kelantan is still rising. 9 rivers in the state remain above dangerous levels, and the state police are prepared to deal with a possible worsening of the flood situation. Reporting from Malaysia, Thai News.
"多一份善念，多一份平安。一人一善，远离灾难。"